am here with Florin Simovic, the man behind Affiliate Expo and CEO of Traffic Manager. Hi Florin, how is this conference compared with the one last year?
Well, first of all, we have a bigger presence, and I'm happy about that. I see that they are coming in waves, like in the morning a little bit less, in the afternoon they are like filling the rooms, and I'm really happy about that. I was expecting a bit more, to be honest, but we have like a 30% growth, and I'm happy. Maybe also because well, it's a niche conference, kind of. Most of cash on delivery, e-commerce, so not everybody have an interest into it. But I'm happy. I'm happy.
Glad to hear. I'm the first time at this event myself.
It wasn't this year.
No,
okay,
no.
okay.
That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
What was the most difficult thing in organizing this conference or in promoting it?
Putting people together. So when all the sponsors and all the exhibitors are great persons and they helped us and everything, but when you need to organize the schedule of the speakers and you need to put in between the sponsors which they want to exhibit their services and their products, and putting together all these people that sometimes they are competitors, right? So and they do a joint panel and stuff like that. So I need to act as I'm Switzerland. And you could be the good idea and explain them what's the problem we're solving by having a panel, a joint panel, explaining how they could overcome a problem from the industry. And that was I would say, the hardest part from the organization. But it's fine. I'm happy that everything is going well.
And what are the plans for next year? I mean, are you organizing again?
Oh yeah, for sure. So we have two different ideas. We're either continuing to doing it in Milan next year. Most probably it will happen still in Milan. Not sure if we will use the same location or not. But the idea the concept I would like to have at a certain point will be to move every year in a different location, different city. Because Italy is a beautiful country. And we have places like Venice. We have places like Firenze. We have places like Rome. We have places like Sorrento.
Okay.
The only challenge is having a city close enough to an international airport. So what we are studying right now is we are doing this. After this event, we will build a plan for the next 3 years, and we will see if already the next year will be the new location. Because myself, when I go to the conferences, I always like to spend a couple of days more just to enjoy the city, to mix business with pleasure. And why? I mean, we have the possibility to do that. If people come here, they will come to Venice as well. So this is something I would like to have as a concept, and I think it's a unique concept in the world.
I think it will be a big impact. I like the conference so far, and I like the panels as well. I mean, they are very useful and provide very good tips for affiliates. Was it difficult to find those speakers?
No, it is not, because I was an affiliate myself. I know most of the guys making money in this industry since a while. We keep connection, we keep contacts, we speak, we meet in the other conferences, we do our... So for me, I kind of blind in the industry between service providers and everything. I understand all the, let's say, aspects or corners of the industry. So people and maybe also because I'm friendly with everybody, I never fight with people, I never have anything. I always try to make peace between them. Again, Switzerland. And this gave me access to many people, like in a natural way, without even pushing it. And what we had at the conference are two very good friends of mine. One of them, Emil, for example, from Romania. The other one was Managa, is from Bosnia. Huge media buyers, like people that are running millions in media buying, and they are not the only ones. They have more. Even Saib, which does which did the Google Mastermind, and there are people that are making money out of this. They didn't ask me anything in return to come here and give value to the audience. So this is the kind of people I am looking for. I'm not looking for the guys which want to be paid to come here. I had this kind of, let's say, proposals, and I refused them politely, because if you want to be paid, you're not making money out of this. You're not a real, affiliate. So if you are after the 2, 3, 4,000 euro, whatever a conference will give you, for me, you're not providing the right value on the stage. It's just like a check I have. If you want to come, when I invite you, you will come and you will be treated well. If you don't want to come when I invite you, that's fine for me. I have many other options.
Wow, that's amazing. I mean, it's one unique mindset as I see in other conferences. Congratulations. Where can people find you?
Well, I'm on Instagram, Simovic Florin. You can write Facebook as well. Threads, fine. But Threads I go, which is like my Romanian journal. It's the only place where I write in Romanian. So don't delete that. Instagram and Facebook, Simovic Florin. You can search Florin Traffic Manager on Google. You will find me. I had many interviews before, so you will find my Facebook and everything in that. Yeah, I'm happy to have you guys here, and I hope to see you again next year for sure.
For sure, I will try to come next year. Thank you.
Thank you.